Are y'all ready for this? Are you ready for the amazing papaya skin lightening serum I got today? Listen, if you have fresh papaya or if you have the papaya seed oil, this video is one to watch. So beautiful babes, let's get to it. Let's get ready to go ahead and mix this up to get rid of that uneven skin tone. We are going to do it today.
You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh. I'm swaying through the hits, boy, loving every disco.
So as I stated, beautiful babes, this is a DIY papaya skin lightening serum. Now, what I'm using is actually the papaya fruit. As an alternative, if you have the papaya seed oil, which I'll have my link below for that as well, you can also use that. That will give this longer shelf life. If you're going to use the papaya fruit, make sure that you refrigerate this after each use so that it can last at least 7 days. Apply the serum for the full 7 days. Now, so we'll be using, yes, the papaya fruit in this mixture and the enzymes of the papaya, the papain and the chemopapain can decrease inflammation in the skin. Papaya contains also vitamin A, and that is why papaya helps to remove dead skin cells and inactive proteins, thereby rejuvenating your skin. It also helps keep your skin hydrated. If you want glowing skin, use papaya. Papaya has also been known to be the ingredient in leading skin whitening products because of its papain content, that natural enzyme that promotes skin renewal and cell turnover. It helps in exfoliating the skin to reveal newer cells and restorative properties that soften the skin. We're going to remove most of the papaya seeds out of this mixture. This delicious superfood is also rich in a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help to improve the skin elasticity and minimize the appearance of lines and wrinkles. So I cut the papaya up in small pieces for easier blending, and I'm adding just a little bit of water in here to make it also easy to blend. The vitamins it includes are vitamins A, C, K, and E. And as it is rich in vitamin C, that antioxidant can reduce irregular pigmentation and stimulate collagen production. The vitamin A is another important nutrient for the skin. It promotes the production of new skin cells and help reduce dark spots, blemishes, and scars. Lemon juice, lemon oil naturally contain vitamin C and is an antioxidant that will help reduce skin damage and premature aging. It has astringent qualities. Due to its high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. With lemons being rich in vitamin C and citric acid, lemons can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Carrot oil lightens dark spots and helps to reduce scars and also heal scars. It is effective for numerous skin issues like psoriasis, eczema, and itching. Skincare formulas usually contain carrot oil in small amounts rather than adding them in ounces because they are highly potent. Carrot oil is rich in vitamins and a very effective moisturizer. It can be used for skincare and soothing wrinkles, dry skin, rashes, and swelling. Sandalwood oil is an antiseptic and also an astringent. It helps to clean the pores and reduce inflammation from mild skin irritations. What's more, sandalwood helps the skin with conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It's used in many skincare products. Sandalwood is a key age-fighting ingredient. Apply this DIY Papaya Skin Lightening Serum only at bedtime. That's because papaya naturally exfoliates the skin, and freshly exfoliated skin is very photosensitive, meaning it's sensitive to light and the sun. Also, this recipe contains lemon essential oil, another skin lightening product that is photosensitive. Don't forget to apply this at nighttime only. Don't think putting it on at nighttime will not give you faster results, like when you also use it in the daytime. No, it doesn't work like that. Nighttime is the best time you can put this treatment on your face, because this is when the skin actually repairs and rejuvenates itself. So applying products at this time is very beneficial, more than applying during the daytime. So some items that you'll need in order to create this: you'll need a 4-ounce amber bottle, that's to store your nice serum in. Then you'll need a funnel as well. If you're using the actual papaya seed oil, you'll measure out 1/4 cup of the papaya seed oil. For the papaya fruit, just take about 1 inch or 2 of the sliced papaya and chop it up and blend it. Add a little water to it so it'll be easier to blend. And now once you have all of that done, go ahead and either put it in a container or leave it in your blender. You can add the oils in and stir those in. Yes, I did go ahead and blend mine into mine. I used, of course, a couple of inches of the papaya fruit, 7 drops of lemon essential oil, 7 drops of carrot seed oil, 10 drops of sandalwood oil. Now make sure you blend it all together, mix it all together, and close your bottle and shake it each time before you apply this to your face. This can be stored in a cool, dry place if you're using the papaya seed oil rather than the papaya fruit. If you're using the actual papaya fruit, store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Always start, when you're applying this, with a clean face. So I did go ahead and use my brush that I love so handy, so much, on my face to go ahead and deep cleanse my face. And then I patted it dry, and then I just applied just a bit of it all over my clean face and neck and massage it in. Whether you're using the papaya seed oil or the papaya fruit, yes, you can go ahead and sleep in this. Since this absorbs so great with the papaya fruit or the oil, you can apply it to your hands, your legs, and your body. So please make note that you will leave this on overnight and then rinse off the next morning. That is how you would do this. And let me just tell you about how my skin actually feels. This is, again, a skin lightening serum. It contains, of course, vitamin C that excels at reducing dark spots and brightening the complexion overall. So it definitely will promote over time the fading of the epidermis by stimulating the renewal of pigment-free skin cells. And of course, it definitely will moisturize and exfoliate the skin. The combination of all of these products will also help, again, to reduce the dark spots and marks, revealing a more youthful, even toned complexion all over. You can again apply this to your face, neck, chest, arm, legs, wherever you'd like to, again, lighten those particular areas, or you can apply it all over. Doesn't matter. Your choice on that. It is so nice. Now in the morning, all you have to do is wash your face well and apply your moisturizer. Or you can also use a small amount of shea butter as well. Boom! There you go, beautiful babes. Just for you, just for you. If you need this, let's get to it. All of the ingredients will be listed down in the description box that I used with the measurements and also ready shop links. Now, I know you don't mind supporting the channel, so I do have some affiliate links down there as well. And you know I appreciate you, don't ya? Listen, beautiful babes, thank you so much again. If you enjoyed the video, got something out of it, please drop a like on it. Drop me some hearts. Yeah, in the comments if you indeed had a great time going over this particular serum. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. And don't forget, don't keep me a secret. Please share me with your world. Bye.
Seems like you're type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving